cyclone's jackknife. They got eyes for your wife and the blood that lives in her heart.
Oh my goodness, it's new tool day! Oh, the greatest day! Oh, I'm so excited. I've been needing clamps for so long, and I finally went out and did it. And I did it for this project that we're currently working on. Oh, I am excited. Wasn't too bad either. I got these on sale, these pipe clamps, for $9.95 a piece. Pretty darn good. KMS Tools here in Edmonton, and the pipes. Probably could have got them cheaper if I went ahead and found somebody that would thread them for me and all that stuff, but I got them pretty good. I think they're about $10 a piece as well. 10 altogether, worked out to $200, a little better than that. Pretty happy about my purchase. Okay, let's get these together. So, with new tool day, sometimes comes new project day. Because now that I have all these wonderful clamps, I need a spot to put them. So we are going to look at building a bit of a clamp wall right over here behind my drill press. And there'll be a lot of fast forwarding in this video. I'm going to see if I can snap this out real quick. Not looking for anything super fancy, just looking to get them up against the wall there. Anybody who's ever purchased clamps know that they are very well greased when you first get them, so I'm just pulling some of that off so I don't get oil all over my hands when I'm working with them.
Cut me open, remove this thirst hidden but near. A series of visions, I won't repeat them here, I won't repeat them here. Typical me, I gave my cargo to the sea. I gave the water what it always wanted to be. Look to the west, oh look, it's no contest, proud Mary said as she lit the fuse. I wanted you, I wanted your blues. Your must come to one end, the bad ones just go on forever. Isn't that what I just said? It is now and it is never. 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 about her, she's been known to appreciate the elegance of an empty room. Look, I made you this broom, a predicate warning to the sun. This night advances on. Shows me drawings, they're alright, an alternately dim and frightful waste. Now come on, honey, let's go outside. You disrupt the world's disorder just by virtue of your grace. You know, I didn't want to go, but leave I must, as gratifying as this dust was. I am proud to be a part of this number.
Quick and easy clamp wall. Done and done. Now it's time to get to this top.